Hello, members. Today we're doing something pretty fun, something a little bit special. We're getting some members from the team to come in and answer a few questions so you guys can get to know them better. And this is pretty fun because you're going to be seeing a lot of people that you probably wouldn't see otherwise. We're getting people from all over the company. So look forward to that, and we'll get going. Tony.
Jacob.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome.
My name's Sarah Braniff and I am the New South Wales Acquisitions Manager.
Hello members, my name's Luke and I'm the Marketing Manager here at Investmentor.
I'm Ace Villapando. I do research and data analyst.
My name is Richard Pan. I'm one of the property mentors.
Hi, I'm Dean. I just kind of around and get paid for it. I'm very thankful for this job. I'm a video editor / media assistant.
First question. If you could describe your personality in one word, what would that word be?
Bubbly.
Analytical.
Calm. Curious.
So would you say you're a monkey who lives with a guy in a yellow suit? If you could have one superpower, what would that superpower be?
I don't know, I feel like I would go for something that's like useless but still considered a superpower. Hovering 3 inches off the ground and I can't go higher.
I would love to say predicting the future, especially for our members' sake.
Teleportation. So I could be over in Boston to see my sister whenever I want and see my family on the Gold Coast whenever I want.
So what else would you do with it?
Wake up in the morning, teleport into the shower.
Yeah. Mate, that's pretty sick.
Teleport to work. Teleport downstairs to a meeting room. Mate, I'd use it.
Would you just be really unhealthy? And your your
But guess
muscles
what?
would
It doesn't matter because you can teleport. I'm bedridden. I'll teleport to the toilet. I'll take a dump and I'll teleport back, go back to my bed.
What's one food you'd eat for the rest of your life if you could? Dean's answer is banh mi.
Love banh mi.
Spaghetti bolognese.
Spaghetti bolognese.
Yeah.
That was a really quick answer. Have you thought about this before?
Every restaurant I go to, I look at the menu, make sure there's spaghetti bolognese on it. If it's on it, I buy it.
The Chinese name is called 煎饼果子. This is that sort of pancake, and you mix the egg into that, and then you can also add in some other, like your sausage or some other sort of meat. Every time when I have opportunities, travel back to China, and I will make sure that I found this place and I eat multiple times. Otherwise, I feel like I didn't, this trip's not worthwhile.
Probably mango.
Mango. That's a good answer. Because you got a lot of good nutrition in mango. It's sweet. It always tastes good. I don't think I've ever once had a bad mango.
I've had plenty of bad mangoes, but...
What would you say is your most embarrassing moment?
One time I needed to go to the bathroom but I was scared of the teacher, so I decided that I would pee in my chair. To this day I can't remember how my pants weren't soaking wet from it, because it was a puddle, right? And then I came back and the seat was dry. So I was like, wow, this is cool. So I did it again.
One year I attended a work Christmas party, and this was when I was still in the corporate life as an accountant, and the theme was white. You had to wear something white. Not sure what struck me at the time, but I decided to wear a sperm suit. a white sperm suit.
I was in the city once and I was very intoxicated, and I was running across a road where the green light was still going, and I stacked it in front of all the cars, and the cars were green, ready to go, waiting for me to get up. And
What would you say is your proudest moment?
After successfully complete a full distance marathon, about 6 months after having just recovered from a broken ankle.
Back in the day, my mum used to watch me play games, and I got professional in Call of Duty gaming. And she was the one sitting next to me whilst I was on a LAN and pointing out where the red dots were. She was my shot caller before shot callers were a thing. So I'm very proud of my family.
proudest moment was probably moving to Sydney by myself at a very young age. I think last weekend was actually my 8 years living here.
Wow.
8-year anniversary.
And did you know anyone in Sydney? Did you come here with people you knew in the area? Or?
No,
Wow.
all by myself. Where I was then to where I am now, and what I've achieved basically. Yeah, that would be my biggest accomplishment.
I'm proud of finding more of a career in life
Yeah.
in the film industry. I think that's pretty exciting.
Something I'm proud of you for is that like you were able to make the decision to make that career change
Yeah.
and like figure out that you had like something that you wanted to pursue. That,
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
No, it's exciting.
Yeah, very good.
It's much better than Hospo.
Yeah.